Good afternoon. Hello guys, this is Team 6 from 12 Electrical Avionics 2. We will presentation about past continuous tense, simple past perfect tense, passive voice, and conditional sentence. Let me introduce my team. From me, I'm as a narrator, and my name is Jonathan Prilaputra Sadewa. And we have 4 speakers. And the first is...
My name is Mas Alif Bika Subarja.
My name is Muhammad Perdana.
My name is Ferry Sandria.
My name is Muhammad Yunansian Farika.
And now, Mas Alif Bika, times is yours.
Thank you, Jonathan. The next I will presentation about past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to describe action that began in the past and often continues for a short period of time after the action starts. This tense describes action or event that happened at a specific time in the past. Forming the past continuous tense, the past continuous is formed from the past tense of to be with the base of the main verb plus the ending ing. Form of the verb, it is formed like this: subject plus was or were plus continuous form of the verb ending in ing. The examples of the past continuous tense. When we got to the house yesterday morning, the baby was drinking a bottle. First, he was waiting at home all day when she sent him the message. Second, Alan was cutting the grass the other day when the snake appeared. Third, I was not sleeping when you got home late last night. You can also use this tense to make a question. Example of this use include: the first, what were you doing when the alarm went off last night? Second, were you calling me when I emailed you this afternoon? Last, what was the doing this time yesterday? Thank you.
Past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is used to show that something happened before or after action in the past. It can also be used to show that something happened before and specific time is past how. How to from the past perfect tense to from the past perfect tense. You use the past tense of the verb to have, which is had I it to the past participle of the main verb. For example, subject, had, and passive participant past present tense. Some example of the past perfect tense can be seen in the following stanza. Had met. She had met him before the party. Had left. The plan had left the things I got to the airport. Had written. I had written the email before the apology. Had wanted to show the movie good service. Have money for the ticket. Some example of the past perfect tense. Using past perfect tense. There are several studios where the past preference tense can be used and applied to use in the following years. Also, that action happened before something else in the past. She stand up and because the received bad news. The lost money of the bank because they are not parameter ignore. Another thing, not Rian before you introduce at the party. You have studied Italian before you moved to Rome. Also that an action happened before a specific time and the past. Sehat established her company before 2000 and Sehat never played football until last week. They had gotten engaged before last year. I got fallen asleep before 8 o'clock. Example of part sentence. I had never stand through a beautiful sunset before I went to the island. We were not able to stay overnight at the hotel. We had not traveled around in the events. She has never been to the symphony before last night. Thank you.
Thank you. And next, passive voice. Function of the passive voice. The passive voice is used to show interest in the person or object that experience an action rather than the person of object that perform the action. Next, sometimes we use the passive voice because we don't know or do not when the express who perform the action. Example, I noticed that a window had been left open. Every year, thousands of people are killed on our street, on our roads. Ali, the cookies have been eaten. My car has been stolen. Next, structure. Subject plus to be conjunction plus passive participle and rest of sentence.
Conditional stand definition. A conditional stand is a type of stand that states a condition and the outcome of that condition occurring. Conditional stands are made up of dependent clause and a dependent clause joined to express said condition. A conditional stand contain and dependent clause and a dependent clause that almost always begin with if. A conditional stand is only a conditional stand if it has both of this part. Some conditional clause may begin with when. Conditional stands example. If I save enough, I can go on vacation. The dependent clause if I save enough. The dependent clause is I can go on vacation. You can have dessert if you finish your homework. The dependent clause is if you finish your homework. The dependent clause is you can have dessert. Type of conditional stance. There are few different kind of conditional stance in English. Here is a brief outline of 8 kind. Zero conditional. What is a zero conditional stance? A zero conditional stance is a stance that express a fact or sample. Implication. Type of conditional stance. There are few different kind of conditional tense in English. Here is a brief outline of 8 kind. Zero conditional. What is a zero conditional tense? A zero conditional tense is a tense that express a fact or sample application. Example of zero conditional: if it rain, things get wet. If you stare at the sun, your eyes damage. If you touch a flame, you burn yourself. If plus present simple. First conditional. What is a first conditional tense? A first conditional tense is a tense that express an idea that may happen at some point in the future. It is something that is possible, but its century is unknown because it depends on another event. Example of first conditional: if it rains, I will not play outside. If I am out to lunch, Maria will answer call. I will wrap his present if he left. First conditional tense can refer to either present or future time. Conditional. What is a second conditional tense? A second conditional tense is a tense that can express two ideas. Example of second conditional: if I know answer, I will tell you. If I were you, I would not left tonight. If I were president, I will fix the system. Second conditional tense refer to present time. That conditional. What is a third conditional tense? A third conditional tense express a past idea that did not occur. The third conditional tense express an image result of past event that did not occur. Is in other words, it is unreal. Would have plus past participle. Could have plus past participle. Example of third conditional: if I had listened, I would have not gotten lost. If he had gone to lunch, you would have answered his call. I would have wrapped his present if he had left. Third, conditional sentence refer to past. Thank you.
And that's our presentation. Thank you. Good afternoon.